The Last Tree. In the small town of Greenfield, where vibrant forests once stood tall, only one tree remained. It was an ancient oak, known as Old Bessie. The townsfolk revered her and believed she held the spirit of the forest. However, as time passed, more and more people moved to the city, leaving behind a town that became increasingly consumed by concrete. One day, a young girl named Mia wandered into the park where Old Bessie stood. She noticed the tree's leaves were turning brown, a sign that it was not well. Mia loved nature and had spent many afternoons climbing Bessie's sturdy branches. Determined to save her beloved tree, she decided to take action. Mia gathered her friends and organized a Save Old Bessie campaign. They created colorful posters, wrote letters to the town council, and even planted flowers around the tree. Slowly, the community began to notice the beauty of nature once more. Inspired by Mia's passion, families started to take walks in the park, sharing stories about the environment and their connection to it. Weeks passed, and the town council finally agreed to help. They planted new trees, cleaned the park, and encouraged eco-friendly practices. As spring arrived, Old Bessie began to flourish again, her leaves shimmering in the sunlight. Mia smiled, knowing she had made a difference. The town learned that preserving the environment was vital, not just for Old Bessie, but for future generations. From that day on, Greenfield became a town that valued its trees, ensuring that nature would thrive alongside its people.